Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is going to be a very small vlog. So today's vlog is basically a DIY, like a face mask which I will be making with very basic ingredients. So this is a requested vlog from a very close friend of mine. She wanted me to do vlogs where I will be making homemade face packs, like with the basic ingredients which is available in our homes. And I thought of doing this vlog today because I have been a little sad all these days, and I wasn't being able to vlog much. I was actually not feeling like, I'm sure all of you are feeling a little sad somewhere or the other, because of the situation which is happening all over the world. But don't be sad, do things which actually make you happy. So anyway, coming back to the topic, so today's vlog is going to be a face mask which I will be making by using only two ingredients, which is available, I'm sure, in everybody's house. So today's vlog is basically a face mask which I will be applying on my face, and I will be showing you guys, and I will also tell you the benefits of these products and the face pack overall. So without making this intro long, let's straight away go to the video, and I will be giving you details as I vlog. So yeah, let's go to the video. So we need rice powder or rice flour. It has a lot of benefits which includes skin whitening, skin brightening, removing suntan, getting rid of skin dirt, which eventually removes pimples and acne. It helps in removing dark circles, provides even tone to the skin. So it has a lot of benefits, and it is one of the main key ingredients in all the Korean face masks or face products. So it is really very helpful. And so the second product is milk. I'm sure all of you know its benefits because it is a very common product and everyone uses it. But I'll just mention a few of the benefits over here. So it helps in boosting complexion. It helps in giving a brighter skin tone. Also gives a healthy and glowing skin. It acts as a natural moisturizer and also helps in removing dead skin. So the third product is Dabur Gulabari Rose Water. So if you want, you can use this one. If you don't want, you can even just use the milk and the rice powder face mask. But I have used rose water over here because it helps in soothing the skin irritation. Also helps in getting rid of acne. So I have used it to balance it out. If you want, you can omit this and just use this rice powder and the milk. So now I'm making the paste. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rice powder or rice flour. Then I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and I am going to make a smooth paste out of it. So I'm just mixing the milk and the rice powder, and then I'm adding a few drops of rose water, which is optional of course, and then I am making a smooth paste out of it. So the paste is now ready, and as you guys can see, it has become a smooth paste. So now I am going to apply it on my face. So to apply the face pack on my face, I am using a face pack brush from the brand Vega, and I am applying the face pack on my face with that brush. And I'm almost done applying it on my whole face. So I have applied the face mask all over my face, and as you guys can see, I'm looking scary, but I'm sure all of us look like this when we apply a mask. And I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to keep this for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off with cold water. So I'm not going to talk much because otherwise there'll be all crease lines all over my face. So I've just applied the mask, and I'm going to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then after it dries, I'm going to wash it off, and I will come back to you guys and let you know and show you how my skin looks after washing off. So stay tuned. So it's almost going to be 20 minutes, like it has already crossed 15 minutes, and as you guys can see, the face pack has completely dried. And please excuse me for talking like this, because the face pack has dried and it's completely tightened up, so I'm not being able to talk properly. But and also because the crease lines may appear, so that's why I'm not talking properly right now. But as you guys can see, the face pack is completely dried, so now I'm just going to wash it off with cold water, like which is normal water, the tap water, and I'm coming back after that. So I have washed my face with a normal water, and as you guys can see, it's already looking a little brighter and it's glowing. So this has of course a very good effect on your face, and you should definitely try this. And you can see it is clear, and you know, the face is glowing. So even if it's not visible in the camera, I can see it with my own eyes. So it is a must try, guys. And also when you wash it off, just slowly massage on your skin and wash it off, wash off the face mask. So this was a little tip which I wanted to give you guys. And yeah, this is how it looks, and it is a very good what do I say, a face mask. You guys should definitely try it. I have mentioned all the benefits of this mask, so I'm pretty sure that you have already understood and you're going to apply it soon. So that was it, guys. Today's vlog ends over here. So if you like this vlog, do give a thumbs up. Also comment down below how did you like it, and also let me know if you want more of my homemade face mask vlogs, then I would be very happy to do so. And share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.